That's the basic information, and then you can say whatever you want. We are rolling.
Hey guys, it's Eric from Casa in Long Beach, California. Oh, you don't want to get that close. That is not pretty. So, why did we think of something like this? Well, take these bars here, for instance. Pretty snazzy, some rabbit ears. This is a Honda Shadow 600 top triple tree. This one just happens to be really cool powder coated. But, so say you've got these super cool bars and you're like, I can't wait to put them on and be choptacular. And then I go and I'm like, fiddly sticks. Look at that porcupine. It doesn't fit. Oh my goodness. So now I'm crushed. So what can I do? Oh my goodness. That's stupid. But so now you take our adapter and now we can do this. And now you're on the road looking cool. So let me show you how this works. So you take your handlebars. Again, take your 600. This is called the skinny because what this allows is if you still have your lights up here, you can still use them. So if you have your idiot lights here, dummy lights, you can still use them and see them. So how this works, from underneath, this is 1/2 inch 13, and that's mostly what you're gonna run across on these. Allen head, put that in there. Set your bars up, hold it, and just twist that in. It's pretty simple, it really is. I should have made those shorter, Jimmy. I should have made those shorter. But safety first. So you just put that in there. You take the other one. These are really cool though. Let's make this a little faster, shall we? Sorry. Okay. Now, if I was doing this and gonna keep these on, I would always use Loctite, just to be safe. So now look, you're like, all right. But look, see? And now you can take this and it'll bolt on right here. This is an M12. Thread pitch is 1.25. You slide it right on in there. And you take these. It's actually a little easier on the bike. Then you just thread them on. We're gonna do one on the bike. And then you take your other one, I'm not gonna put the washer on because you get it. But on the bike it's easier because you don't have to hold this up, so. And then tighten those down again, use Loctite. See? So now you have that. You can still use your lights. And now you have 3.5 spacing center to center, or which, as we all know, is very common for all the Harley bars. And there's a lot of companies out there that make really cool bars, but we can't run them because they're too narrow for our Honda Shadows. So hopefully we can help you with that problem. I'm like, dude, it's pretty good.
I loved it. I know some people hate it.
Dude,
Connor Rivers.
He was a little over. I know he's supposed to be.
Cartoon.
I know he's supposed to be, but
amazing.
dude, Jake
Where
Gyllenhaal.
the fuck is everybody?
I like it, dude. I liked it. Anyways, okay.
I loved it. Anyway, sorry.
Okay. So
You're Eric from Casa Customs here in Long Beach, California. That's the basic information, and then you can say whatever you want.